darlings! This is our Edpuzzle quiz on mixed numbers and fractions, so make sure you're an expert in the topic above and realize I can also combine it with previous topics, and I will. So all Edpuzzle answers are final and cannot be changed. You cannot go back to a question. You cannot email me later with different answers. So the academic integrity and principled action statement says I have neither given nor received unauthorized help on this assignment. This means that you cannot use notes. You cannot use friends or family. You cannot Google anything. All you can use is a blank sheet of scratch paper and something to write with, and of course your brain. So you're going to start by turning this into a mixed number. Then turn this one into a mixed number. This is 28/3. -11/4. Turn it into a mixed number. The negative goes in front of the whole number. 5.3, also said as 5 3/10. Turn this into an improper fraction. This is 7 2/9. Turn this into an improper fraction. This is -8 10/21. Turn it into an improper fraction. This is -72.48. Turn it into an improper fraction by first turning it into a mixed number and then turn it into an improper fraction. You need to know how to say this the proper way. Think about your place value. Have a great day.